So we're going to pop the needle plate off. So we need the machine turned off for this, because we're going to push the cutter hook all the way to the right, and that allows us access to the blade, which just pops up and comes out like that. The blade itself can be replaced, that just pulls out of the holder, and we hold the holder with the long arm in towards ourselves, and then that goes in a slot. It's a little bit difficult just to find the slot, but it goes all the way into the slot, and then once it's in, it will very gently just fold over, and then the hook can be pushed back into place, ready for use.